Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
And some less humid air working back into the region once again. It looks like delightful conditions on the way as we head through this evening and into the overnight hours. And temperatures not too bad for the next day or two, but we're still looking at that heat by the time we get to Friday. And right now we're checking out Darke County, Versailles, Rossburg, Ansonia, Greenville, Union City, Palestine, all the way over to Lynn, Indiana. Dry weather out there tonight and dry throughout the rest of the viewing area. Just a couple of spotty showers down along the Ohio River back to the west of us over parts of Illinois. Unseasonably cool air covering the northeast. Right now we have temperatures only in the low 50s over parts of Maine and up into the New England states, while we've got the heat building back west. Jet stream still mostly out of a northwesterly flow over us today, but by the end of the week that'll all be changing as we head towards Friday. We're going to see that heat move in from the west as the jet stream retreats a bit to the north, so look for that heat humidity here for Friday, and the heat and humidity sticking around into Saturday as well. And you don't want to be out on northbound Interstate 75 this evening, even though it's beautiful. You can see that traffic backed up there. Currently 82 degrees. Wind out of the north-northwest, 14 miles an hour. Relative humidity at 31%. And there's that very pleasant dew point at 48. So tonight we'll find those temperatures again dropping down. It looks like mostly upper 50s, low 60s across the region. Maybe even a few degrees cooler across our northern counties into the mid-50s. 78 current reading in Springfield. 32% the relative humidity there with a west wind at 12. And here in Dayton we had a high of 82. Low this morning 61, right at the century mark back in 1988 for that record high, and down to 48 in 1983. And our weather checkers up north tonight, low 80s. John Kingham in Tip City at 81. Michael Bell in Covington reporting a temperature of 80. And as we head on south here, Gary Rust over in Camden at 81. David Wessler, New Paris, 82 degrees. And Hope Kolke in Bellbrook, 82. And Tom Wyckoff emailing his reading in, 82 the current reading there. And that cool air is really affecting the northeast part of the country. I mentioned how cool it was up towards Maine, but even Cleveland getting in on some of that at 71 degrees, 76 at Mansfield, a little bit warmer to the south and west of us, 85 at Louisville and 87 down towards Evansville. So that's the big story, that contrasting air, the cool air over the northeast, and 80s and 90s building back over Texas and Oklahoma and up into western Kansas too. So this will be the battle zone. We'll see this northwest flow continue for at least the next 24, 36 hours. Showers breaking out along the front that drops south of us. A little rain in southern Ohio, but then on the back edge of that front, showers and thunderstorms breaking out from the northern plain states, extending southeastward into Illinois. But you can see the movement southeast. We'll have a little brief period of some clear skies this evening and early tonight, but you can see some clouds northwest of us. Those will move back in later on. So as we head towards midnight and beyond, getting back to those partly cloudy skies. Still expected to stay dry overnight on future track, but you can see the rain just to the west of us. There's a slight chance we could see a spotty shower tomorrow. Best chances west and south of the Dayton area. But then I think by the time we get to Thursday, a little more likely we'll be seeing mostly dry weather, but also by that time starting to warm up just a tad. Your forecast tonight, partly cloudy skies. We'll head down to 58 for that overnight low. Tomorrow, it looks like readings not quite as warm as today. Part of the reason for that, I think we'll see a few more clouds around tomorrow, mix of clouds and sunshine. Can't rule out an isolated shower. High 76, your hour-by-hour forecast. 71 at noon, 74 at 2 o'clock, 75 at 4 p.m. And anytime you want to check out live Doppler 2X or the latest forecast graphics, they're right there at WDTN.com. Hot and sticky on Friday. Another cool front arrives over the weekend, bringing us a chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms.